Stop by and take a look at the 2021 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.